Hello, I'm Zorab and this is Byther Farm, and today I've been shopping. Well, okay, not quite shopping how we would normally think of shopping. I have been to get frozen food from the barn, from our freezer there, and I just thought I'd show you how much I've got left. It's the 21st of March, so here we are, start of spring. Now, last year I did a video where I looked at what was in my freezer and would I have enough food. The freezer in the barn is about half full now. We've already got through an entire freezer's worth of food, or halfway through that one, and we've got another full height freezer and a half freezer out in the boot room just there. So I'm bringing food from the barn to those freezers. But I thought I'd show you what I've got. So this is duck and chicken, and here are some bits of pork. We get our pork from our friend Martha, who keeps her pigs in woodland, so we know how they're looked after. We really like that, and we also like that we're supporting a friend. And this large bag are all raspberries. There's some courgettes and some runner beans, cherries. I'd forgotten I had these. I've got some more in the big freezer in the boot room, so I'm going to be able to do something lovely with some cherries. I cooked spaghetti squash, so I batch cooked a whole load of spaghetti squash and then froze it in plastic containers, pop them into bags. But I reuse these big outer bags time and time again, which is great. More courgettes. Some sweet corn, so each cob has been cut into half. I blanched them and then froze them. I'm the only one who likes sweet corn, so we don't need a huge amount, but I'm really pleased that we've still got some left. Last year there were two different varieties. One was a bicolour and one was a Swiss something. I can't remember its name, but I'll leave that on the screen. I didn't like the bicolour one, but the Swiss, whatever it is, I really liked. And then I've got some grapes, and lots of grapes were given to us by Tony at UK Here We Grow. So I've got some grapes and some blackberries, more blackberries, more raspberries, more grapes, beetroot. This is blanched and then frozen, and we really like beetroot. So I defrost it and then we roast it, and we really like that. Some borlotti beans. Black currants and red currants and white currants, another piece of chicken, and 3 1-pound portions of stewed apple. This, together with what's in the freezer, will do us for at least a month, and there's probably another month to 2 months worth of food in the freezer in the barn, and obviously the freezers out here will be fairly full by then. And hopefully at that point we'll have got through the hungry gap and we'll be starting to harvest once again. I wasn't sure whether we would have enough food to see us through the winter. We certainly have. There are some lessons I've learnt. I will certainly be freezing more strawberries because I'm having fruit every day for my breakfast. I'm getting through a bag of currants like this in 2 days. And likewise, a bag of blackberries probably lasts me 2 to 3 days. So I'm eating a lot of fruit at the moment with some yoghurt. So this year I want to make sure that I have harvested and preserved by freezing as much fruit as I possibly can. Behind me in the pan here, I'm cooking a big stew for lunch. But I need to get these in the freezer before they defrost. And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope you'll join me again next time.